What's up, guys? What's going on? What's happening, World Wide Web? Hey, guys, if we can keep it simple, we can keep it in perspective. And if we can keep it in perspective, we can keep it 100. And if we can keep it 100, guys, we can always keep it moving. Okay? And if it's Wednesday, guys, it's about what's trending. So, guys, let's get hot on this Keep It 100 Wednesday. What's trending, and let's talk about some exciting news, guys, that I got. And this is where I'm going. Yesterday's video, I was interrupted. It wasn't a training day Tuesday, but it was a video where I was talking about. Oh, I was actually answering a question that somebody had about something. So I wanted to do a couple of videos. Didn't get a chance to do them, guys. But on today's What's Trending Wednesday, guys, what I want to talk about is something that a lot of people, I think, are going to be excited about. Because here it is, guys, in black and white, in simplest form. Everybody doesn't want to go out and build websites. Everybody doesn't want to go out and be an email marketer, right? Everybody don't want to go through that skill set that's required to start an email business, right? Or email marketing business, and that's totally understandable. But I promise you guys, if you don't start doing that right now, once you see where it is I'm going, and once you guys get the official invitation to join me in my new business opportunity, which is what I'm here to talk about, then you guys are gonna be excited. And here's why, guys. You don't have to talk to anybody anymore, right? You can if you want to, but you don't have to, right? You don't have to build any websites. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. You don't have to be an email marketer, right? You don't have to worry about anything online whatsoever, guys. Why? Because, guys, the new business opportunity I'm talking about is totally offline, right? The videos are going to start going up probably tomorrow. I already recorded some of them. I'm trying to merge it straight into the actual opportunity. So I got a few videos where I'm talking about it's a conversation. The make money conversation is what the videos are going to be. I think it's 3 of them. They're going up, and what I'm talking about is things that you guys should be considering before you start a business anyway. Well, some of you guys have seen that video or those videos. Some of you haven't because they're unlisted, and unless you subscribe to my channel, then you haven't seen them. I'm going to make them unlisted starting tomorrow, guys, and so you're going to get a great, it's just going to be a plethora of great information in terms of the questions you should be asking yourself before you start any business. But here's what's got me so excited. This particular business, again, guys, is direct mail, right? Remember, I told you guys that that's how I got my start years ago, was in the mail order business. But the beauty about what's going on here, guys, I'm not even gonna go into it, because when you see it, you're gonna be knocking down the door saying, Marlon, sign me up. Okay, now I'm telling you, the videos are gonna start. What's today? Today's Wednesday. The videos are going to start tomorrow. They're gonna run probably through Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, and by Thursday of next week, you guys will see the opportunity. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you guys will be able to get in here, and you don't have to worry about any of the problems you may have encountered up until now, right? Any of the challenges you may have encountered up until now, again, in terms of this skill set where email marketing is concerned. But it's really easy. It's really not hard. But you don't have to do that. No talking to anybody. The company closes the sales for you. Everything's completely automated. You're going to be able to grow your business, scale your business exponentially with passive income, residual income. Okay? You're going to absolutely love it, right? So when we're talking about what's trending, guys, it's what's always 100. And in my mind, right, 100 is always keeping it moving. And I can hardly get the words out of my mouth, guys. That's how super pumped up I am about what's happening. Now, let me tell you guys, you're probably like, well, what's up with dialing for dollars? Dialing for dollars is fine, guys. Remember, I told you guys dialing for dollars was just a marketing system, and that I could promote and market anything I wanted to inside the dialing for dollars automated marketing system, right? Well, this is the perfect marriage as far as I'm concerned, right? Because I'm going to wrap this new business opportunity right into the dialing for dollars automated marketing system. Do you guys have to do that? No, you don't have to do that at all. And when you see what I'm talking about, you might be like, oh, I've never seen anything like this. Or you may have seen it. It's totally fine, guys. Doesn't matter. This is new. It's hot. It's rocking. Been talking to my upline. Been tying you know, the loose ends up, guys. Got everything ready. When I present it to you, it's gonna be as simple as it's gonna be as simple as 1, 2, 3. Do this, do this, do this. Boom, you're in. You're ready to go. Wow. That's what's up, guys. That's what's 100, right? That's 100. That's keeping it 100. And okay, so I got a few more videos to do, guys. So let me get off of this video, but I had to do that because I don't want to get too far away. I know you guys probably don't want to. What are you doing? Wait until you see what I'm talking about, guys, and wait until you see what I'm doing, right? And you're gonna see all that stuff. Okay. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being on the video. Hold on. I gotta call a couple of people out, because a couple of you guys, I appreciate every time someone subscribes to the actual channel. And so today I want to call out wow, I'm trying to find, Teresa Joseph. Hey Teresa, thanks so much for subscribing to the channel. Okay, and I also want to call out Jay's channel. Now, if I didn't subscribe to you, Jay, I'm going to subscribe to you. Teresa, I'm ready to subscribe to your channel now. I see you just subscribed. I appreciate you guys subscribing, right? And I'm going to subscribe to you guys' channel as well. And you guys, let me know what you're doing, right? You know what I mean? Let me know what it is you're involved with. I appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, guys, because I'm always talking about the 6 degrees of separation, right? So now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to simplify this money-making process, okay? We're going to create something that anybody can do, right? Ain't going to be no headaches, no hassles, none of that. Okay, so again, let's see, Jay's channel, thanks so much. Teresa Joseph, thanks so much. Also, wow, I'm checking some stuff on my phone, guys, because Carol Hood just joined me. Carol, in the Oru Marketplace, I set that page up for you, that automated website. Carol, thanks for joining. I see you. I just sent the page to you. You should have it by now, but I want to give you big props as well. And K-Mac, if you're listening in, man, I hope you're following along. We're getting ready to get hot, guys, okay? We're getting ready to get hot. So, again, guys, if it's Wednesday, it's always about what's trending. And because keeping it 100 is always trending, that's what's going on. That's my spiel, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep and thousands of more videos to shoot. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And guys, remember, those videos are going to start going up probably tomorrow. Get in where you fit in. Be there or be square, guys, because the launch of my new business opportunity is right around the corner, and it's something that absolutely anybody can do. You're going to love this. Anyway, I got to get out of here, guys. Keep banging. I'll see you on the next video.